Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing so good. So in this video we are going to talk about liketrx.com. So first you have to put your mobile number, then you have to put whatever I am going to do. You can follow the same whatever I am doing. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel for more updates. So if you want some more video like this, you can hit that subscribe button. Now I'm going to click on the registered. While doing, you have to save, and you can see while doing this I have registered carefully. Now I have to click on the there, and then I have to click on the transfer to the basic account. Now I have to copy this address. While copying this address, I have to come to Tron Pro link, and I have to click here, and I am going to send some 50 TRX to that account, because if you want to make good amount of profit, then you have to make a good uh, application also and good website also. So whatever I am doing right now, you can see, and you can make good amount of profit from here. So you can see here, you can make a lot of good amount profit. So now money is deducted from here. You can see now I will get one notification. You can see here I have got one notification also. Now I have to come here, and I have to click on the recharge completed. While doing this, you can see I have got 2.5 TRX for extra, and in this video live I'll show you how we can withdraw also. So if you are new to my channel, for this you can watch all this video. So if you have clicked on the share, you are going to use this code, and if you want to make a lot of money, you can make your team team and sharing is going to be possible. Then you are going to make lot of ton money. See, when if you have the good team, then you will able to share with the good people, then you will start making good money. So they have their app also. If you want to download their app, you can from download it from the Google Play Store. If you see, they have these all things. You can join their Tron Million program, and if you see, they have platform data display like accumulated profit, and people are making good amount of profit. If you see, they have the global partners like Wajirex, Coin26, they are the best in India, and if you see, Binance, Bitmain are the best in the world. If you click on the trading, what you have to do, you have to be the big, you have to be the best. If you click on the trading, they are going to give you 6% on TRX and 0% on USDT. And if you click on the invest, you can see some cycles are there. For 3 days 2%, 30 days 5%, for 90 days 6%, 180 days 8%, 240 days 9%, and 360 days 10% you are going to get. If you click on the share, we already talked about this. If you click on the mine, after that if you go to that notification, you can see there is a fourth thing, basic wallet recharge gameplay. You can see if you want to make good amount of profit, you can make it from 1000 to 30,000 TRX. If you are going to get next day 5%, 30,000 to 1 lakh 5.5, 1 lakh to 2 lakh 6%, 2 lakh to 10 lakh 6.5% you are going to get. Customer care service, they have Telegram, they have legal, their paper, whatever you need you can get it from here. And if you click on the latest announcement, you can see you can withdraw your wallet money in just 24. And if you see the last one where you can make a lot of good, while see, if you have the good, if you're going to promote your account with from there also, you can make good amount of money from there. You can make like how much money you can make at per refer, you can make at 15% in my opinion. But what you think, you should comment below down this video. And if you want to read all these things, you can see group C will reduce 2%. You can read all these things if you want to read. But what you think about this, you should comment below down this video, and I hope you like this video. So you can see you are going to get all this result. Now I am going to show you how we can withdraw. So first you have to click on the withdrawal, and 2.5 we have to put 2.5. After that I need address. For address I have to come back, and I have to click on receive. While clicking here, I have to do what, I have to put it here, and after that I have to put the password AMAN. You can see, after doing this, now I'm going to click on the submit. You can unbounded addresses. Okay, I have to click on add addresses. You can see successfully. Now I have to click on this what submitted. You can see withdrawal successfully, and money is right now, you can see there was 2.5 TRX, now it's 0. While we are talking, the money will be deposited. You can see I got the notification also, 2.5 TRX is submitted to my account. But what you think about this, you should comment below down this video. And if you are going to invest here, you can use my link to invest, and you can make good amount of money. Yeah, we'll meet on next video. Till then, bye. Love you everyone.